During this presentation, I will discuss the top 5 apps that I have found most effective and most useful in teaching early childhood literacy skills. Bob's Books is a very popular set of instructional literature books that are used in most early childhood classrooms and kindergarten classrooms. In particular, this app focuses on helping students recognize the relationship between letters and their letter sounds. Likewise, it moves into kids being able to sound out simple words and helps them to learn different spelling strategies as well. There are 32 different words that are embedded within this app, and there are 4 different game levels that allow kids to advance at their own level and also allows teachers to individualize instructions for each child. For the I Write Words handwriting game apps, it's mainly for preschool ages 3 through 5, and the cost is $2.99. Although some reviews say that this price fluctuates quite often. But the main purpose of this app is for students to help the main character, Mr. Crab, collect balls. And the way that they collect balls is to use their finger to write each letter correctly. And they are not able to advance to the next part of the game or to the next letter until each letter is drawn correctly. And as you can see in the pictures below, it shows them the correct stroke marks to make for each part of the letter. It also helps them to create a picture to associate that word with the picture that is being worked towards. Montessori Crossword Puzzles is another app that is geared for preschool ages 3 through 5, and that price again is $2.99. In this particular app, students focus on phonics and identifying the different sounds associated with words. They do this by creating crossword puzzles. What is so fun about it is that there is a picture there as to help them better associate the word and the sounds within that word to the picture. It also incorporates cursive writing back into their learning environment, which our students do not see as often as they have in the past. Likewise, you can see that it focuses on sounds. It focuses on any variety of complexity of words, digraphs, simple words with 3 sounds, words with constant blends. And one of the other parts that students, I'm sure, enjoy is that there are 21 different interactive animations or fireworks that are displayed every time a word is completed. Interactive Alphabet is a fun interactive flashcard game. First, the flashcard reads the text on the flashcard, and each flashcard is a different letter of the alphabet, and on that flashcard is a picture with the word spelled out of what that picture is. And so they are able to hear the text of that word being read to them. Likewise, each letter is sounded out, so they're also able to associate that letter's sound. And the interactive piece of this app is that students are able to tap or drag the different pictures on there or the different letters in order to maneuver them in order to hear sounds again. There's also a baby mode on this app that allows for the flashcards to be turned automatically. And this is not only good for babies, but also for your students that may not have the proper flexibility or fine motor skills to maneuver the mouse. So it has a lot of differentiation capabilities as well. Reading Raven is another preschool ages 3 through 5 app, and it's currently priced at $2.99. This app takes students on an adventure with the Raven through self-paced lessons. They move from pre-reading skills all the way to reading sentences, which is a more advanced skill for children ages 3 through 5. There are 11 different games that they can participate in. And these games are individualized by age or reading level. In age 3 are the beginning reading level. Students are letter matching, they're tracing, they're doing letter recognition, and they're also beginning to match words and pictures together. At age 4 or the middle reading level, students are working on vocabulary. They're recognizing the word beginnings, they're practicing spelling, and they are doing word spotting, so being able to identify or isolate particular words. at age 5 or in the higher level. Students are working with different word groups, they are word tracing. And one of the things that I love most about this app is that students are able to use voice recognition to read sentences and hear how they sound compared to how the interactive piece on the app is sounding. So, overall, this is a really great tool to use in early childhood literacy.